Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand pollen pistil interaction from sexual reproduction in flowering plants from NCERTs. Guys, pollination doesn't guarantee the transfer of right type of pollen. How we identify which is right and which is wrong? Pistil has the ability to recognize whether pollen is compatible or incompatible. These above mechanism controlled by genetic mechanism. There are two types of pollen grain. One is incompatible and second one is compatible. If pollen grain of wrong type, it is incompatible pollen, which is not accepted by the pistil. It prevents pollen germination and result is no fertilization. No seed formation takes place. If pollen of right type, pollen grain is compatible, accepted by the pistil, pollen germination takes place and that pollen grain belongs to same species. Fertilization takes place. The result is seed formation occurs and this whole process accepted by the pistil. Now the compatible pollen which accepted by the stigma is ready for post-pollination events, that is germination of pollen. Compatible pollen absorb moisture from stigma and form pollen tube. You can see in the diagram. Pollen tube formation. Pollen tube, the content of pollen grain move to the pollen tube and tube growth takes place through stigma tissue, style and reach to the ovary. The generative cell divide into two male gametes and it reach at ovary and enter the ovule through the micropyle to synergids guided by the filiform apparatus. All these events together termed as pollen pistil interaction. What is the role of filiform apparatus in the pollen pistil interaction? Filiform apparatus is a finger-like projection present in the synergids. It acts as a guide, receiver, facilitator for the whole process. This is all about pollen pistil interaction. Thank you.